Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to upgrade PS5 internal storage. Step 1. Place your console on a flat surface upside down. The edged PlayStation logo on the top of the console should be facing downwards. Make sure any cables are fully disconnected before beginning the process. Step 2. You need to slide off the bottom PS5 cover plate. Place your palms near the top corners and grip the edge of the cover. Gently pull the cover plate up and towards yourself. If you hear a click, that's normal. Step 3. With the cover plate removed, the screw from the expansion slot cover and then remove the cover itself. Step 4. Remove the screw underneath and spacer. Adjust the spacer to the size of your M12 SSD. Step 5. Hold the edge of your M20 SSD, align it with the connector and then starting from diagonally upward, firmly insert your SSD all the way in. Step 6. Gently push your M12 SSD down and fasten it with the screw that was inside the PS5. Step 7. Reattach the expansion slot cover and fasten the screw. Also reattach the PS5 bottom cover plate by sliding it back into place. You hear a click when the cover is secured. Step 8. Reconnect the power cord in HDMI cable and switch on your PS5. The formatting guide should appear automatically. Follow the on-screen instruction to format your M20 SSD. Go ahead and press the X button. Format the M12 SSD. Step 9. Once formatted, it should show your drive's SSD read speed. It's over 5500 megabytes per second. You are good. Step 10 and you are done to begin moving your game over to the SSD. Go to settings, storage, installation, location. From there you can click on a specific game or app and move files over. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe.